Life is like filmmaking and driving. It's not just about the destination, but the journey, the frames in between. Slow down, savor each scene, and let every mile and moment tell a story worth remembering. Alright. Okay guys, welcome back to the next video. Unfortunately the time is running out. Let's see what this car is all about. We are in a VW Amarok, driving this the first time. This is a first impressions video rather than a review. I just wanted to drive it and make a video out of it with my friend Jo, and thanks to him for helping out to make the video. It's actually fun to create something together instead of just alone. What I feel about this car at the moment is it's kind of big. It's a big car. This is a 2015 as far as I know. 2-liter turbo diesel injection. Oh, it's big, man. It's a narrow road here. We're driving the same road as in my BMW E36 video. I'm not sure if I would buy this one, to be honest, for myself. If I had the money to make that decision. And I really don't know who this is for, actually, because it's... Is it like a Dodge Ram? I'm not sure. A Dodge Ram is also kind of big, but I would say it's more like a proper pickup truck to load things onto it, into the bed. Also what I feel like is it's super calm. Gotta say it's driving like a normal Volkswagen Golf. Golf 6, Golf 7. Yeah, it's the same engine as that one, or similar engine to the other one. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on that. It's relaxing to drive. It's not sporty, to be honest. It's a big car. It's not a sports car. It's a truck. I'm really honest here. I have no idea. I don't know much about this car. I don't know much about the history. I just wanted to make a video and enjoy the car. And I think if you're someone like a gardener or like someone who works with tools and needs the tools to... Yeah, cornering is not good. And needs the tools to work. This is a great car for that. Lots of space. Let's see the horsepower on this one. Like, we have torque, but not much. Yeah. I'm driving 75 kilometers an hour at the moment and through the corners, and I don't feel like it's very safe. Is there a sports mode? I have no idea. But there's an off-road button I see there, so that's cool. Interior-wise is okay, I think. It's not an expensive car. It's not a cheap car, but I'm not sure about the materials in here. These cars don't age well in my opinion. They look a bit old, a bit cheap, like the plastics and like all the buttons. They don't feel great. They feel like they were made to be cheap. I don't feel confident driving this faster than 80 kilometers an hour through this road, winding road through the forest. It's not a car for me, I'm being honest. Like, Volkswagen makes great cars the past few years, better cars than today. The actual lineup of Volkswagen is kind of tricky in my opinion. They don't look great, they have lots of problems, like the Volkswagen Golf GTIs, like the 8 series. They have lots of problems. I know a few people that have them. This car from that time period, from 2015, they are built to last, unlike the newest cars of Volkswagen. Okay, now I can really feel the size of this car. It's huge. It's humongous. Similar to a BMW X7, yeah. Different use case, I think. It's calm to drive, but yeah, it's not something I would buy for myself, because I don't need it. I would rather buy a minivan for my family. More seats and more space in the back, instead of like an open deck. This one has a cool feature. It has an aftermarket cover over the bed, and lock it up and throw stuff in there and don't worry about thieves. Kinda cool. But other than that, I think it's a too big car for me. If you enjoyed this video, it's a short one. Leave in the comment which car you think I'm filming next. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hold on a minute, there's more. We have filmed something special for the end of this video with our friend Jevi and the Amarok. Hope you enjoy. If you would like to support the growth of this channel, join my Patreon and become a valued supporter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.